So now that we can see the certificates on the Windows host details page, next thing is to surface failures that happened for certs that are proxied by Fleet. As a Fleet admin proxying Windows SCEP cert instances through Fleet, I want to see when a host SCEP exchange fails at the upstream CA so that I can diagnose the failure instead of seeing the profile incorrectly report as verified while the host has no cert. So this is different than Apple behavior. In Windows, the host will accept the SCEP profile and return a 200 OK before it actually gets the cert. So that means we need an extra step where we make sure the cert actually lands on the device. So let's take a look at a SCEP profile, custom SCEP profile, and basically with all our variables, and this is going to be its name. So I'm going to go ahead and load it onto our Fleet. I'm going to add this profile. I believe it's this one. Add profile. So let's go to our hosts. So our host is enforcing. So within 30 seconds, it'll go to verified. It goes to verifying. So now that it's verifying, in order for it to go to verified, the host actually needs to go through a proxy and get the cert on the device, and then our OS query refresh has to run and check that this profile corresponds to the cert that's actually on the device. So let's go ahead and refresh. So now that we've refreshed, we can go and see that this profile is now verified. Here's an example of a failure you might get if we're not able to get the cert via the SCEP, the proxy. And let's go down and see if the cert is here. So we do see it here. I named it that so it shows up top. So there we go. That is our cert that corresponds to our profile.